Ever imagined your next business being just one sentence away? Whether it's a jewelry brand, a clothing store, a sneaker company, or even my own Tech with Ayrass merchandise brand. Just describe your idea, and within minutes, it's a complete brand. A logo, custom fonts, brand colors, social media ads, posters, website graphics, and even a promotional video, all from a single prompt. That's the promise of Lovart, the world's first AI design agent. But is it really capable of replacing an entire creative team? Or is it just another AI tool making big promises? Today, I'm putting it to the test by building a complete brand campaign from scratch, from the very first idea to the final promotional video, to see if Lovart truly lives up to the hype. And I'm not testing this on a made-up demo. I'm building my own Tech with Ayrass merch brand from a blank canvas. Normally, that's a dozen tools that never quite match. Let's start with the identity. First, the identity. Instead of a blank prompt box, I open Lovart's skill panel, go to the branding category, and pick the logo and branding skill. You choose the skill first, then let it do the work. Now I enter the brief. A complete brand identity for Tech with Ayrass. A merch brand for an AI and tech channel, modern and bold, in charcoal, electric blue, and off-white. Seconds later, the skill returns logo directions, a color palette, and a visual style, all at once. I take the sharp monogram, clean, bold, not AI slop. But a logo and a few colors aren't a brand yet. One piece is missing, and getting it wrong is the fastest way to look cheap. Next, type. For this, I open Lovart's font generator by name and ask it to generate 3 typography directions for Tech with Ayrass. Modern, geometric, a techie edge, bold but easy to read across a logo, posts, and packaging. The font generator gives me 3 options. I pick the second, confident without being loud. Now I've got the 3 things every brand is built on: a logo, a palette, and a typeface. On their own, they're just files. The next step turns them into a system that runs itself. Now the part that makes Lovart different. I export the logo, fonts, and color palette as files, then open Brand Kit from the sidebar and build it. Upload the logo, add the typography, drop in the color codes, and set the design rules. This isn't just a folder of assets. Once it's saved, I select this brand kit on every new design. And Lovart locks the campaign to these exact colors, fonts, and logo automatically. And that's what makes the next step almost unfair. Because now I'm not making one design at a time, I'm making 10 at once. This is Agent Batch Generation, the feature to watch. Using the Tech with Ayrass brand kit, I ask it to batch generate campaign assets in one go. Instagram posts, story graphics, product ads, promo banners, e-commerce visuals, and a website hero. Lovart's Agent Batch Generation can create 8 to 10 consistent campaign assets in one go. Notice I never retype the colors or fonts. The brand kit handles that. Minutes later, a full set that looks like one studio made it. Same logo, same type, same colors, every format. What normally eats an afternoon just happened in seconds. And every one of those assets is sitting right where it was made. Right here, on Lovart's infinite canvas. The assets didn't go anywhere. They were generated straight onto it. I zoom out, and the whole campaign is in front of me. Posts, ads, banner, hero, side by side. From here, I compare every design, organize them by type, and edit any of them without leaving the canvas. The whole brand in one view, not 10 separate files. But spotting a problem and fixing it are 2 different things, and normally fixing it is the painful part, not here. Watch this. I tap straight onto the headline of an Instagram post, right on the canvas, no separate editor, and change Where the Future to New Drop, the AIT, Live Friday. Then I swap the product image for a different hoodie mockup and push the blue brighter. That's it. No layer panels, no rebuilding. You tap what you want to change and change it. So the visuals are done and consistent, but a static post only does so much. The content that performs now moves, and that's the last thing I need Lovart to prove. This is the part I told you to wait for. I pick the T-Hero and open video generation, convert this into a 10-second vertical video for Reels and TikTok, keeping the exact same brand look. A short wait, and the still is a moving clip. The shirt turns, a slow push in, real motion in the same colors, fonts, and style. One asset now ready for Reels, TikTok, Shorts, or a paid ad. That's a full brand. Identity, 10 assets, and a promo video, built from one blank canvas in the time it usually takes to brief a designer. One last thing before we wrap up. This workflow isn't just for merch brands. Once your brand kit and workflow are set up, Lovart can help build campaigns for almost any business. In just a few seconds, here are a few more examples. An indie game launch kit with a logo, key art, and store banners. A music artist campaign with cover art, posters, and promo clips. A modern skincare brand with social ads and packaging. A real estate agency with polished marketing materials. And even a creator launching a digital product. Different businesses, same workflow. Start with an idea, build the brand identity, generate consistent marketing assets, make quick edits, and even create promotional videos. All inside one creative workflow. And that's the point of Lovart. Branding, design, edits, and video all run through one workflow, so everything matches. For a small brand, that's the difference between looking legit and looking like a side project. Check the link in the description for Lovart's latest plans and pricing. If this helped, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.